bags.
You ready? You need me to tie your shoe?
Yeah.
Come.
Hey, 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 hey. Hey, ow, ow.
Yes. Alright, let's go.
But that says.
I'm sorry. Why are you taking so long to get out the car?
Hi.
Good. Alright. So I gotta carry these big ass bags. They're gonna be pretty heavy. Alright, sit that down real quick. Javai. This is all the clothes I folded yesterday that I have to put away. Judah's still sleeping. We were watching Joe Dirt last night, so he fell asleep.
I know this husky is not thirsty at all.
Did you pray this morning?
The only water source. Whenever any dog dares to come close,
Did you pray this morning?
Other dogs
Were you grateful for something?
They can only silently.
Did you meditate?
But the new big guy is an exception.
I want you to do those things before you put on nonsense in the morning. And pick up all these blankets, tidy up, and brush your teeth. Good morning. It is Sunday, April 27th. I just decided to vlog. I have to put all those clothes away I just showed you guys, put the groceries away, make breakfast. It is currently 10 o'clock, or is it 9 o'clock? Me and my youngest just went to the store. They didn't let me record at Lidl. I think that's so weird. I never heard of you can't record in a grocery store, but heads up guys, you can't record at Lidl. And then I have to do Jair's hair, my middle son. I have to retwist his hair, and I'm gonna do my youngest son hair, and then I'm gonna do my nails because I bought some nails at CVS. I'm gonna do my nails finally. I was waiting to do my nails all week, but I had to do my son's hair first, and I don't really do hair that well with nails on. And I'm gonna do some Uber, and then I'm going to a paint and sip that I have tonight at my friend's house. So that's what I'm doing today. Stay tuned.
Hey, try to turn me up a little bit right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, 10 out of 10, let's wait. I've been going big on the pigs out of state. Do research, check out the back of my plates. I rep so heavy, attack when I take. Still, I'm on that for the long.
Creation here where we're coming.
I sent Jair upstairs to get I need a Cascade pot for the dishwasher.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense, no. Bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and I shouldn't care but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't get your name out of this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home.
I'm not even following too. Kylie's hyperpigmentation.
Thank you for being
She
here.
was hyperpigmentation.
You have a purpose.
Stop listening. If she was hyperpigmentation, I would have told her to change her avatar.
So I'm pruning all of the dead leaves to make room for the healthy leaves. These are coming off pretty easily.
Would you like hyperpigmentation? Just wait for me because I'm going to join you. I'm joining you right now. Yes, I win.
You are so beautiful. You are so strong. You are so beautiful. You're so strong. I'm so happy that you're here. I'm so happy.
Not yet. No, I got it. We can have an energy.
Alright, I also have to prune it. That's so exciting. I wish I went to school for something. I put all the clothes away that I needed to put away. The kids didn't even eat breakfast. And Jude is in trouble. He's in the room folding clothes. Then he needs to clean the entire room. Then he needs to write me an apology letter because he tried to walk away while I was talking to him, which was very disrespectful. I'm in the middle of doing Jair's hair, but he's taking a break, so I'm taking out Jubai's hair, and then I'm going to go back to doing Jair's hair.
Mommy, I forgot.
And it is 2 o'clock. And
Mommy,
I have somewhere to go at 5:30.
Mommy, take this.
I'm announcing my entrance into your private domicile. Okay, habla inglés?
Mommy, just
I'm Officer Cooper. I'm here to escort you to Dallas. Minimum height requirement of adult female male weight. Woo! We have got to get going. Protocol states that you only need to pack the essentials, ma'am. You are not going to need
Diana,
all
what
the
do you want me
shoes.
to do? Your hair hurts.
Practical.
shoes are you wearing,
You
huh?
still have to get it done, Jair. It's not gonna not hurt.
Standard issue black shoes?
No, I don't do it
Those are
rough. I
men
do it
shoes.
regular.
My husband has the same kind. Congratulations, officer lesbian. You
Well, that is probably something you could leave at home.
what? This?
I don't have time to do Judah's hair. Come on, Devon. You can play Roblox on my phone. Mommy, here. Come on. I'm gonna beat you. You want a beating? Devon, come on. 1, 2.
Okay, there's lots of energy. I would just make them look. Here we go. Now your nose doesn't sound great, right? Okay, you please tell me I'm not lucky. Well, you look like confident. So, you're like to Jefferson. That doesn't mean anything. What? Thank you. So, face it, babe.
I just finished Levi's hair. I don't know why he's running around the house, but I'm about to bring him outside with his brothers. Come on. Come on. And I gotta get ready to go to my friend's house. Quick chit chat. I just wanted to say I am so proud of myself. I am doing a great job at being a single mom. And I wanted to say to all the mothers out there that I am proud of you if you're not being told that. I don't think we get enough recognition, to be honest. And it's not just about single moms. There's so many different dynamics. Being a mom in general is so hard. And you can feel like a single mom in your own relationship. So it's just being a mom in general. Any mom that is trying her best to be the best mother that she can and to actually raise her children and teach them and show them healthy ways of living and just pushes yourself and sacrifices your time to your children, I really want to say I'm so proud of you. We are literally everything. We have literally a full 2, 3, 4, 5 full-time jobs. We have a job on our own, most of us. And then we are their maid, their hairdresser, their chef, their teacher, their nurturer, their scolder. We have to use both our masculine and feminine energy with these kids. Like, you see how I was struggling trying to get my youngest to do his hair? Like, if a man was right next to me and he would have just been like, listen to your mom, he would have just sat there quietly so fast. Men don't know the power that they have with the help with these children, and it's just so crazy. I'm right now kind of struggling with my schedule. I am trying to find a day where I meal prep. I'm trying to find a day where I deep clean, and I'm trying to find a day where I do all the grooming, like for myself and for the kids. So comment below if you have any tips and tricks or ideas on how to stick to a schedule, because my schedule with all that stuff is still all over the place. I made olive oil infused with rosemary for my hair, so I'm going to transfer it into this jar for my hair. Rosemary is so good, and I am not playing with my hair growth journey this year, so this is what I'm doing. I wish I had a filter, but I don't know what to do. I'm gonna put the rosemary in here. Alright. All the extra things that just fell on the counter, I'm just gonna put it in my hair now. Oh my god, the kids are outside playing, but I'm about to bring them back inside because I have to go. Inside. I don't mind these pillows. I have to put the pillowcases on it. And Where was I watching?
The Empire cannot wait.
Okay. It's called Just My Luck. It's an old movie with Lindsay Lohan.
Look, did anything unusual happen at that?
Hey, I don't hug people, but look, brother, you saved my life twice. Once at the masquerade dash, and now.
This is cute though. I actually like it. I think I'm just over something.
It's like you didn't paint or write in a long time. You gotta read some right here. Definitely copying one of these.
Yes.
For sure. Okay guys, I just got back home. It is 10:40. My neighbor had the boys while I was gone and they are knocked out. Yeah, I had fun. I didn't vlog at my friend's because it was very intimate and I didn't want to have like a camera in front of anyone's face. But I had a good time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, loves.